Welcome back to my channel. The MGB is a true classic, a car that has stood the test of time with its charm, performance, and simplicity. Today, we're diving into what makes the MGB such an enduring favorite among car enthusiasts. Let's start with the design. The MGB made its debut in 1962, and it quickly captured attention with its sleek and timeless roadster shape. The low-slung body, classic front grille, and rounded headlamps give it that unmistakable British sports car look. Its design is straightforward yet elegant, focusing on clean lines and a balanced profile. It's the kind of car that turns heads even today, nearly 60 years after it first hit the streets. Under the hood, the MGB was originally powered by a 1.8-liter, four-cylinder engine. It delivered around 95 horsepower, which might not sound like much by modern standards, but in a car that weighs just over 2,000 pounds, it's more than enough to provide a fun and engaging drive. The engine's simplicity makes it easy to work on, which is a big plus for anyone into DIY car maintenance. And let's not forget, this engine has a distinct growl that adds to the driving experience, making every drive feel special. One of the standout features of the MGB is its handling. Thanks to its lightweight construction and well-tuned suspension, the car feels agile and responsive, even when navigating tight corners. It uses a rack and pinion steering setup, which was advanced for its time, giving drivers precise control. You feel connected to the road in a way that few cars of its era could match. The low driving position also enhances that sporty feel, giving you a sense of being at one with the car. Inside the cabin, the MGB sticks to the basics, but it does so in style. The interior is functional, with a simple dashboard layout and easy-to-read gauges. Leather seats add a touch of class, and there's just enough room to be comfortable without taking away from the snug, sporty vibe. You won't find fancy tech or modern conveniences here, but that's part of its charm. It's a pure, unfiltered driving experience. Now, let's talk about its unique selling points. One of the biggest appeals of the MGB is its affordability in the classic car market. It offers an authentic vintage sports car experience without breaking the bank, which makes it a great entry point for anyone looking to get into the world of classic cars. Its parts are relatively easy to find, and the community of MGB enthusiasts is always ready to lend a hand, making ownership a joy. The MGB also has a history of reliability, thanks to its straightforward mechanical design. It's a car built to be driven, not just to sit in a garage. Many MGBs on the road today have been well maintained and can still handle daily driving if needed, which is impressive for a car of its age. In terms of legacy, the MGB has a special place in automotive history. It was one of the first sports cars to use a monocoque body design, which means the body itself supports the structural load, rather than relying on a separate frame. This innovation helped to make the MGB lighter, more rigid, and more fun to drive. To sum it up, the MGB is more than just a classic car. It's an icon of British motoring. Its combination of style, performance, and simplicity makes it a favorite among collectors and driving enthusiasts alike. Whether you're into vintage aesthetics, DIY mechanics, or just the joy of driving a true sports car, the MGB offers something for everyone. If you're looking to own a piece of automotive history that's still fun to drive today, the MGB is definitely worth considering. Let us know your thoughts on this British legend in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more classic car reviews from car enthusiasts.